Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today I got another review. I'm going to review of this Leveletto Levelock knife. It's by AKC. Dang it, the glare. By AKC Italy. The Leveletto design is by Bill Deshivs. And I got this one from Blade HQ. Although I do believe they are sold out of these. Last time I checked, they were sold out. So, maybe they still are, maybe they aren't. But I checked a while ago. I mean, it's been like a month since I checked. And this knife is especially, I mean, it's a very good knife. I mean, as a display piece, but, you know, I guess you could still use this knife a lot. It's got, swivel, it's got a bolster. So it's kind of like a stiletto bolster, but it's a flat guard bolster. The S guard. It's got S guard, the flat guard, bolsters, horn handles, flat bolsters. Of course, it's got the spring down inside here. And the way this works is the way this knife works is it's got a, down inside here there is a leaf spring which pushes it down and out to the left. So all you're doing is relieving the tension on that spring, allowing it, so all you're doing is relieving tension on that spring, allowing it to come up, out, and then in, and then eventually in. So basically, if you didn't see that, I'll show it to you again. Once again, it comes out, around, up, and then locks in. In this particular blade design, you know, it's got a grind. It came from the stiletto blades. You know, the horn handles. This is from like the 50s. Well, not this particular knife. This is new. But this design is from like the 50s and 40s and, no, I think the 50s and the 60s. Particularly the 60s. That's where this design comes from. And there's other, you know, types. There's curved ones, and there's actual stiletto level locks, like stiletto style level lock knives. There's stiletto ones that have 2 blades, one that have 4 blades. There's one from Czechoslovakian styled level lock. There's American ones, there's German ones. You know, these are made in a lot of countries, you know. America, you know, the US, America, Italy, Germany. I think Russia, actually. And there's, you know, different designs of, you know, these knives. There's like, you know, ones that have swing guards and ones that have shotgun shell bolsters, like with shell pullers and whatnot, where it pulls out the shell. And there's ones that have 2 blades, ones that have 4 blades, ones that come from different countries. from like Czechoslovakia, Germany, even America, with the bone. There's rescue ones. There's ones with seatbelt cutters and stuff, and all sorts of stuff. And there's even swing guard ones. So yeah, I mean, this knife has a really good blade. It can cut. And once again, this is kind of kind of a stabbing blade. So let me figure it out. Yeah. And look how shiny this blade is. So yeah, that's the review of this knife. Hope you enjoyed it. And